Hello students, I am going to make you understand what is the difference between purchase goods and purchase machinery. It can be any name. I have written purchase machinery. So what do you mean by goods? First you have to understand what is goods. Goods is you are dealing in that particular thing. Suppose you are a rice merchant. चावल खरीद रहे हो, चावल बेच रहे हो. Rice merchant, you are a rice merchant and you have purchased from someone rice and that rice has come. So what you will be telling to your staff, सामान लेकर के आओ, गोडाउन में रख दो. You won't be saying कि चावल लेकर के आओ, गोडाउन में रख दो, because you are dealing in rice only. Every time you are dealing in rice, when you are dealing in a particular thing, then you don't have to name that thing. राइस बोलने की आपको जरूरत नहीं है. Then you will be saying सामान रख दो. तो this goods, whenever in a particular transaction it is written goods, that means you have to keep it in your mind कि that person is dealing in that particular thing. But instead of goods, another name is given. If instead of goods another name is given, that means that person is not dealing in that particular thing. Suppose in this case it is written purchased machinery. In this case it is written purchased machinery. Machinery has come. So when machine will be coming, then what you will be telling to your staff? Machine को अंदर रखवाओ. You are not dealing in machinery. Suppose you have bought a TV, then you will be saying कि TV को अंदर रखवाओ. You are not dealing with TV. So you have to name that particular thing. Otherwise that person will not be understanding, your staff will not be understanding. But when rice will be coming and when you will be saying जाओ सामान अंदर रखवा दो, then he will be understanding कि उस rice ही अंदर रखवाना, because you are dealing in rice only. So it depends upon in which thing you are trading in. If you are trading in a particular thing, then you have to name goods. If you are not trading in, then you have to name that particular thing. So in this case, what you need to do? You are buying goods, you are buying machinery. In both the cases, thing is coming in. But when you are trading in this thing, then you will have to write like this. It will be treated as purchases. When you are buying this thing, then you are naming it. Machinery is coming in. When machinery, so what you will be writing? Machinery account debit. In this case, purchases account debit. Because you are dealing in this thing. So you don't have to name this particular thing. And name is also not given. So in place of this, you have to write when you are purchasing it, then you have to name purchases. When you are selling it, you have to name sales. So purchases account will be debited. In this case, machinery will be debited. If you are paying money, cash, then cash will be credited. Or if you are paying through check, then bank will be credited. I hope your concept is crystal clear about when you are purchasing a goods or whether you are purchasing a particular thing in which you are not trading in. Thank you.